This video shows how to install the printer stand in the Xerox VersaLink B625 multifunction printers. Cut and remove the band from outer box. Open the box. To install the support base, turn the printer stand base over. Align the hole on the support base with the post on the stand base. Slide the support towards the center of the stand until the tabs click into the slots. Flip the stand base over so that the wheels are placed down. Push down the lever to lock the two front casters. To install the left panel, align the large center hole with the post on the stand base. Slide the left panel back, then push until it clicks. To install the right panel, align the large center hole with the post on the stand base. Slide the left panel back, then push until it clicks. To install the rear frame, align the edges of the frame with the slots on the side panels and slide the frame down. To install the front frame, align the supports with the slots in the stand and slide it down. Place the top panel over the stand attached and press down until it clicks. To install the front door into the printer stand, align the hinge pins with the door frame and slide the door down. Then close the door. Tilt the front side of the printer stand to attach the remaining support base at the bottom of the printer stand. Slide the support towards the center of the stand until the tabs click into the slots. Install the pins at the corners of the top frame using the matching position number off the label stuck on the packet. Press the power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Use 3 persons to lift and place the printer on the printer stand. Align the printer with the pins. Then place the printer on the printer stand. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.